Narwhals are toothed whales that inhabit the cold waters of the Arctic. Because of their location and failure to thrive in captivity, they are hard to study, and it is unknown how many narwhals exist. They are commonly referred to as unicorns of the sea. Males have one long tusk that can grow up to 10 feet long in a counterclockwise spiral. Their tusk is actually an elongated tooth that grows right through their upper lip. Females rarely grow tusks. On occasion, a narwhal will grow 2 tusks. There is much debate on what narwhals use their tusk for. One hypothesis is that the tusk might act as a sensory organ, helping them to find mates or food. Others claim that the tusk is simply used by males to compete for mates. Narwhals migrate to deeper waters during the winter months. They travel in groups and mainly feed during the winter on animals like fish, shrimp, and squid. Migrating groups can range from a few animals to several hundred individuals. Narwhals are one of the deepest diving marine mammals, frequently swimming over a mile down in search of prey. They use echolocation to detect objects in the water. Dives typically last 25 minutes. The waters they feed in are often covered in sea ice, and they must rely on cracks in the ice to breathe. Narwhals mate in the wintertime. Individuals become reproductively mature at 6 to 9 years of age. Mature females give birth in the spring after a 14-month gestation period. On average, a female will have 1 calf every 3 years. Adults can grow about 16 feet long. Females are slightly smaller than males. Narwhals are sometimes preyed upon by killer whales and polar bears. The Inuit people of Canada and Greenland have long relied on narwhals as a food source. These people traditionally use every part of the animal. During the Middle Ages, narwhal tusks were sold in Europe and marketed as unicorn horns. Their tusks were thought to have medicinal properties. For more marine facts, click the subscribe button.